In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily convert a scanned document into an editable text format using Google Drive and Google Docs. This is especially useful when you want to make changes to a document that you only have as a scanned image or a PDF. So let's get started and make that task a breeze. First things first, you'll need to open Google Drive. Just head over to the Google Drive website and log in with your Google account. This is your starting point because Google Drive is where you'll upload your scanned document, whether it's a PDF or an image file like a JPG or PNG. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to upload your document. Now let's upload that scanned document. To do this, look for the New button, typically located on the left-hand side of your Google Drive interface. Click on it, and you'll see an option that says File Upload. Click on File Upload and navigate to the location where your scanned document is saved on your computer. Select your document and then Google Drive will handle the rest. You'll notice the upload process happening, and it might take a little time depending on the file size and your internet speed. Once it's uploaded, you can proceed to the next step. With your document in Google Drive, the next move is to open it with Google Docs. To do this, just right-click on the uploaded file. You'll see an option that says Open With. Hover over it and then select Google Docs. This step is crucial because Google Docs is the tool that will convert your scanned image into editable text. As you open the document, Google Docs will work its magic automatically. It uses OCR or Optical Character Recognition technology to interpret and convert the text from your scanned document into a format you can edit. In your new Google Docs file, you'll notice the original image or PDF appears right at the top of the document, and the generated text is displayed beneath it. This layout helps you compare and ensure everything is converted correctly. Once Google Docs has done its thing, it's time for you to review and edit the text. Keep in mind, OCR isn't always perfect, so you might notice some errors or text that needs refining. Carefully go through the text, making any necessary changes or corrections to ensure it perfectly reflects the original document's content. When you're satisfied with your document, you can save it in a variety of formats. You can keep it as a Google Doc for easy access and sharing, or you can export it. Google Docs allows you to download your file in several formats like Word, PDF, or TXT depending on your needs. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to transform your scanned documents into editable text using Google Drive and Google Docs. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.